So I'm just outside Ban Hun Lek, the Transformer Museum in Angdong, and I thought I'd just show you some of the vehicles they've got out the front. They have had a sort out, it seems. I'm not sure what that wagon was. There used to be quite a few old trucks parked out here. So we've got the 300 SL Gullwing, Bugatti, Formula 1 car. Not sure what those two are going to be. Got another Bugatti that's half built, Lamborghini, and the Batmobile. All projects waiting to be completed. And then got a few more bits over this side. Normally there's much more out here. There used to be a old Hino bus, a couple of Land Rovers. But it all seems to have gone or been sorted out. So not entirely keen on walking behind this. There's a bit of a ditch. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, it's done not too well actually. So, anyone recognise what the estate is? Let me know in the comments, and I will. It's only a short video. Hummer or Toyota? Because Toyota did make a copy of these, and as you can see, there's some of the back ends of the unfinished project cars. Oh, if I cut through here, I actually want to show you something else. It's out in the car park, which is rather cool. No engine in the Hummer. Bear with me. Check out the old Datsun, maybe. Got the sculptures. It's the entrance. Looks like it's been here a little while. It's very dusty. Still cool though. Right, catch you on the next video. Cheers. Bye.